Get a pen and paper. Okay, we're going to draw a square with curvy edges, a big square. And now we're going to draw a curvy line with like a hand and then another of them, 2 arms. It's sort of like a rectangle, not for the edges. But this time we're going to do a pointy. 2 small squares are going to be the eyes. So 2 of them, because if you don't have 2 eyes, maybe you could see properly. That's it, and now a mouth, like a robot mouth, like a rectangle, half of a line. Now we're going to do antenna on each side. Let's see, we're just doing it black and white. Now we're going to color the arms grey, if we have grey. Now the other arm, now we push the pencil really hard to make stripes like a zebra. Wait, zebras are black and white, not grey and black. Okay, let's just get back with the drawing. And we're going to finish it green. And we're going to do like a rectangle and lots of rectangles here. Now, like it's like a little. And now circles on his antennas on top of them. And another. Am I doing forever, guys? I bet so. Orange, we're going another thread, and we do a heart. And now blue rectangle. And now black, do zigzags in it. That's going to be his belly. We're going to color him in now. That's the wheel. You're going to do round circle. Okay. I'm going to color these stuff. Well, color it in blue. Color. You spell color like this. C-O-L. Yeah. At least that's what I think it is. Back with the drawing. And now color in green. It's a leg. It's one leg. So if we go to left, it goes to the left. Well, I mean, if it leads that way, it will. Oh, red. And then we're going to color the heart red because all hearts are red. Go. Okay. We're getting blue to color tennis when I am because it was a bit strong enough. Have a cold here. Now we're going to color his face grey. Grey. I think it's spelled grey like this. G-A-R. Why? Or is it G-R-A-Y? But let's keep coloring. If you are coloring, sorry. Color. C-O-L-E-O. Okay, if you're not done, just pause the video. I'm recording, but when I'm on TV, I'm not. Because I have to delete the video. And now we're going to do like a curve with straight line and back up down. This is going to be this over. He's watching TV. He's a lazy robot, isn't he? You're going to be makeup over and been working for hours and hours and now tired. But mine is a lazy one. Oh, cool. Okay. Am I ever going to be finished? No? You don't even know when this episode finishes. Well, it finishes once I'm finished sewing, and you don't know when I'm finished sewing. Okay, mas no laugh. Now, there's an orange. I do little patterns, sort of like snowflakes, like a dot, and then you do a line all around it, and curvy, like it's a windmill. You could at least put 4 of them on each side, or at least 5, or as many I'm putting. Okay, I think we're getting close. Now, what do we have to do? Okay, color the ground grey. We have lots of greys here. Now I'm going to do like a little light. Curvy lines like a flower, but not all the edges. Make them yellow like a light because it's getting really dark. Color the white bits purple. Well, more like violet. Violet is the sort of purple. I think we're getting close. Yeah, we're getting close. If you're not close, so you don't have to pause. Make sure to like and subscribe. Be good for your mommy and daddy and your team.